It's another long afternoon, burning the line like a
92 KFR8.
Heating up!
The Freight Train.
This evening's heavy rock comes your way from Freight American Lager. Cold, honest beer.
Oh, that's that good.
Freight. This one's earned. We'll keep the records rolling and the volume right where it belongs. Loud. Lock in. Turn it up and let her rip. Here
This
comes
is
the music.
92 KFR8. Brought to you by Freight Beer.